Let's make this vibrant and delicious savory rice. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of frozen carrots and peas, 1 small red bell pepper diced, 1½ cups of sliced mushrooms, 1 medium onion sliced, 1 small red chili, 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, a handful of chopped coriander, 200 ml of chicken or vegetable stock. Heat up the pot and add in 4 tablespoons of oil. And then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in the onions and chili and cook until the onions are translucent. Add in the garlic, mix well, and cook for about a minute. Add in the spices, mix well, and cook for a few seconds. Add in the bell pepper, mix and cook for about a minute. Add in the mixed vegetables and cook for a few minutes. Add in the mushrooms, mix well, and allow to cook for a few minutes. Add in the rice and mix well. Reduce the heat to medium. Add in the stock a little at a time. Mix well until it has all been absorbed. Add in the chopped coriander and mix it in gently. Your rice is ready to serve and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, do hit that like button. Comment below if you enjoy rice cooked this way.